What's up, guys? And today we're going to be talking about the winter storm that will be moving through the December 15th, and we're also going to be looking at the snow totals for this winter storm and much more. But before we get into this, I would recommend subscribing if you do like weather-related content, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads. Make sure you go check out my social medias right down below in the description as well. But also, the reason why I haven't been uploading very consistently lately is because I've been working on the Santa tracker stream. You can go for more details over in my earlier video I did about a week ago on the Santa tracker stream. It won't look like that. I changed it up a bit. But let's get right into this video. So right now we're looking at the GFS model. And this is about December 13th, tomorrow. We'll move this forward and you can see some very heavy rainfall over the Carolinas. That'll move up to the Rhode Island area. And very heavy rainfall. And when I mean very heavy rainfall, this is like just very heavy rain, non-stop rainfall for a couple of hours. And before you'll probably see rain before the deep cold dips in, and then you'll see that lake effect snow across the Pennsylvania, New York, you name it. Even parts of Maine, you can see some lake effect snow. We do have this big chunk of freezing rain and sleet and snow that'll be moving across the Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois. That'll move to about December 16th. Across Illinois, you'll see some freezing rain and sleet. In the northern parts, you'll see some snow. The southern parts, you'll see some rain. So this might be a named winter storm. Possibly not, since it is kind of little. But it is kind of far out for December 17th. This could change. But right now we are looking at this. So you're going to see some very heavy rainfall from this storm. You're going to see some lake effect snow after the storm passes through, because of this deep cold dipping down into the northeast. You can see that blue line. It's cold dipping through, and then you'll see that lake effect snow. Next, we'll be looking at the snow totals for this winter storm. Okay, so now we are looking at the snow totals for this winter storm. There isn't much snow being measured about December 16th, but you can see up to 4 to 6 inches of snow in some of these northern spots where you see this lake effect snow. And you can see some scattered snow showers in some spots all across here where you see these dots. These are going to be snow showers. You can see up to 5 inches over here in the western part of New York. Up to 4 inches over here in this area, and 4 inches about northern Vermont. Pretty much this whole area you'll see up to 4 or 5 inches, where you're going to see this lake effect snow. We're looking at the shaded air temperature now. So this is about tomorrow. You'll see across here, you'll see here for about midnight tonight, you'll see some single digits over here in northern Maine. All across here, these are 20s and almost 30s, even teens over here in the parts of Maine and New York. These are late teens, not really these are freezing temperatures, but they are not below 0, so these are going to be frigid, just not as. And we can move this forward so you can see this is where you're going to see the rain December 15th, where the winter storm is going to hit. You can see up to 50 degrees over here and parts of Massachusetts and even the east coast of Maine. But once we get this winter storm passing through, you're going to see single digits in the northern parts of Vermont and New York. All across here, you're going to see single digits, maybe even below zero. This is about midday of December 16th. This is where you're going to see the coldest temps of all. Possibly below zero wind chill temps. And it'll possibly just be very frigid. Make sure you have those heavy winter coats out for these winter storm as always. And we have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy enough, I would recommend subscribing and turning on the bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads. And make sure to go check out my social medias right down below in the description. Anyways, stay safe.